Yeah. What's up, stats class? Gonna spit some bar graphs while riding in my car. Please don't go far, we the new stats are. Here's an AP stats seminar. We might not be as smart as Finn. Oh, little Myers Quinn at TI, we go all in. Ballin' like Jalen, dunking like Griffin when we ain't in the gym. Show off our sick flows to our stats bros. Meanwhile, Ocean just proposed. Turned out Heather didn't know to reject his little A sub O. P-value's less than 0.05. Make sure my grade don't dive. Check the back of the book, that don't make me a little crook. Just gotta take a little look at what kind of test it was they took. Story time Thursday. What does Olsen gotta say? Something about his fiance. Heather Weiber is a bae. Hey, sing it, Bacon.
Welcome to stats class, a course where probability is cool, with state plan to conclude. There's nothing you can't do. A203 is the best room, where 4 steps are your doom. Let's hear it for stats class, stats class, stats class. Start with the 4-step process. State plan do conclude. Sometimes you have to intrude, but the CLT will end the feud. Just ask, are you normal? I don't mean to be rude, but if you don't got that bell curve, then I'm gonna have to swoop. Next, make sure it's random, coming from an SRS. Finally, we can assess the data with finesse. Celebrate freedom of the press, since the last part's independence. Check the 10% rule. Olsen is sure to drool if he reads about group marriages and makes Craig a fool. Even with his 4.0, he doesn't know what is uncool. We forgot about state, and our hypotheses are what we want to estimate. Whatever we need to appease, and our significance level, whatever alpha equals, which will help us tell whether we can fulfill. If the p-val's below 0.05, then what should we do? Do we ever accept the null? No. Reject that A sub O.
Welcome to stats class, a course where probability is cool, with state plan to conclude. There's nothing you can't do. A203 is the best room, where 4 steps are your doom. Let's hear it for stats class, stats class, stats class.
Let's go to TI, give her odds a try. At blackjack or roulette, if I lose I never cry, but I never lose. See my lucky tattoo, progressive betting, better pay my dues. Then I go ball hard, Olsen can't even guard. Ball is life, I live at Wilson Park. Handles like Tyus Jones, dunks like Malone, Euros like Stockton, ladies please call my phone. Calculator, my best friend, with you till the end. Just one question, can you find chi-squared? How about a slope test? Look at that regression, see if it's linear, need a transformation. Bino or geometric, geez stats is hectic. Bino if the size is set, geo don't break a sweat. Now please just remember this AP stats rap while sitting in class, while taking a nap.
Welcome to stats class, a course where probability is cool, with state plan to conclude. There's nothing you can't do. A203 is the best room, where 4 steps are your doom. Let's hear it for stats class, stats class, stats class.
One hand in the air for the stats class. Hypotheses, stories, and group activities. No class in the world that could compare. Put your calculators in the air. Everybody say yay, AP stats. Yay, AP stats.
Welcome to stats class, a course where probability is cool, with state plan to conclude. There's nothing you can't do. A203 is the best room, where 4 steps are your doom. Let's hear it for stats class, stats class, stats class.